In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a personal collection. First, on the home page, scroll down and in Browse by Community, go to your community. Here I'll click on HSkeen. As you are browsing digital heritage items in your community, click on Browse All Digital Heritage, and in each item, just under the title, you will see a star. Click on the star to begin creating a new personal collection. Click on Add to start a new personal collection. Give your collection a name. Here I will name the collection Videos. Choose Privacy, Private or Public. And you can give it a summary. I will call this Videos as well. One other thing you can do here, on the tab at the top labeled Items, you can add other items as well if you know the name of that item by clicking on Add Another Item. When you're done, click on Save. Now, when you browse items, you can add them to your collections by clicking on the star under the item's name. For example, if I want to find more videos, I can go to the collection HSkeen Videos. I'll see that the video that I added to my collection already has a star highlighted. The next one does not. So I will click on that star. And where it says, I will click on Create a New Personal Collection. And there I have videos available for me. And I will add this video to the videos collection. And now it has been added to my personal collection. Personal collections allow you to create collections that suit your own personal needs. I will return to the home page by clicking on the symbol on the top left of the page. Thank you very much.